up on yourself, massive. This video is all about fried boiled dumplings. It is a quick and easy Jamaican breakfast. And overnight boiled dumplings are best used. So cut each dumpling into halves, or you can cut it into a different shape as well. Just look at the video and you will see what I'm talking about. So I put some vegetable oil into a Dutch pot on medium heat, and I already fried slices of rye plantain into the oil. That is why you are seeing those dark spots into the pot, but the oil is clean. So now I am gonna fry the dumplings until they are light brown, or light brown, whatever the word is. So I'm gonna fry each side for about 1 minute or 2 minutes, right? And then I am gonna remove from the oil and drain on a piece of paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. Fried boiled dumplings and jack tin mackerel for breakfast. Dumplings are best eaten when hot, and let me tell you something, it and the tin mackerel nice to see, and me fi tell you, yo, walk until next time.